and I like to make myself happy. Make yourself happy. Nobody will make you happy. Make yourself happy, Mr. Man. If they give you lime, add honey or sugar to it. What will it become? Juice. Lime juice. If you like it more, put it in the freezer a little bit. Where. Make yourself happy, oh brother. Má lọ jókòó sínú ilé kó máa ronú. Wá nǹkan tó fi dùn ra rẹ nínú. Sometimes when I don't have money at all, no shishi. I will now bath, wear perfume. I will wash my car, clean the car. I will not be going. I may not go anywhere. Just go around. I can come to Islaudin like this. Wọ́n rí mi nínú agbádá. Ẹlòmíràn sọ pé Ọlọ́run ṣé bí lágbájá fèmí náà ní à. Kò sówó lápò ẹ̀. My people will say, Abu, will I kill myself? I beg you, life continues. So make yourself happy. Make yourself happy. Make yourself. There is no reason a Muslim will not be happy. Ṣé kò tó pé Mùsùlùmí ni ẹni? Kò tó ní dùnnú. Àwọn kan bọgi bọ̀pẹ́. Fúnra ara wọn ni wọ́n lọ já igi nígbó. Wọ́n wọ́n forí balẹ̀ fún. Tó bá wọ̀ ọ́ ní yé. La hawla wa la quwwata illa. Èèyàn lè gọ̀ tó báyìí. Yóò máa gbé olúwa mi o olúwa rẹ òkúta tí wọ́n lọ mú ní títì ó ti dolúwa rẹ obìnrin wọn sọ pé ọkọ mi kìíní kan yóò máa kí òkúta ma la yanfa'uhum wa la yadur. If you think about that one ó tó kó o dúpẹ́ ó tó kó o máa sọ pé alhamdulillah kan wá bọ̀ pé kí ló ń ṣàlùwà ní láti pé mùsùlùmí ni mí. The Sahabas used to do that. Àwọn sàbẹ̀ ànábì máa ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ radiyallahu anhu. Wọ́n jókòó mọ́sáàsì wọn máa dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run. Ìyẹn lọ́lọ́run pa ànábì láṣẹ nu Kahf. Wasbir nafsaka ma'a alladhina yad'una rabbahum bilghadati wal ashi yuriduna wajhahu wala ta'du aynaka anhum turidu zinatal hayati dunya. ولا تطع من أغفلنا قلبه عن ذكرنا واتبع هواه فكان أمره فرطا. I wish we can explain this verse. So it's a very important thing that you think of Allah's favor on you. How about your two eyes? These eyes. How are they? You got them free, each of them. How much would you have paid for each of them? Ìwọ tó ní méjì tó dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run. Ẹsẹ̀ ńkọ́? Ọwọ́ ńkọ́? Etí ńkọ́? In ta'uddu ni'matallahi la tuhsuha. You can't finish counting Allah.